Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to erase layer mask in Photoshop. Let's get started. See this? Select a layer and click a layer mask and erase layer mask. Click brush tool, right click erase. Use brush tool and plate black and white color. Black for erase layer mask and white or unerase. Change opacity, right click, use hardness or without hardness. Okay, that's it. And again, thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.